Creating a morning routine could be the best investment decision you ever make. To create your own, think about what would make you feel most successful and fulfilled. A morning routine could be as simple as laying out your clothes for the day or as extensive as meditating or writing in a journal. The key is that it must be something you find meaningful and worth doing. A good morning routine is key to making it through the day. Starting your day off with a routine will help you focus and be productive. It's been said that success is the result of great planning, hard work, and a bit of luck. But how do you plan for luck? That's where this simple morning ritual comes in. 1. Drink enough water. Drinking water in the morning can help you to feel more energized, have more focus, and even help with weight loss. When you're hydrated, your body can function at its best. This is because water helps regulate your body temperature, transports nutrients to cells, and removes waste products from cells. If you want to be at the top of your game every day, make sure you drink plenty of water when you wake up in the morning. A new study by Cardiff Metropolitan University found that people who drank water in the morning had a better chance of success than those who waited until midday. The study found that drinking water in the morning boosts mental energy and performance levels. 2. Put on your favorite music. Music is a powerful tool that can affect the mood that you adopt for your day. One way to set yourself up for success is to create a morning routine to help you feel energized and ready for the day. A recent study found that music has a significant impact on how we feel and productivity. The study also found that a morning routine can help improve mood and motivation. Music has the power to change and shape our mood, and therefore greatly influence our behaviors. It can help us get through a tough day at work, make us want to exercise, or make us more productive. It is proven to increase productivity, creativity, and happiness. When you wake up in the morning, put on your favorite songs to get you energized for the day ahead. 3. Meditate. Guided meditation can help you achieve success in life. It's becoming an increasingly popular option for many people looking to improve their lives, health, and finances. Meditation is a mental and physical practice of focusing on one's breath and thoughts. It helps to relax the body, calm the mind, and clear negative thoughts. Guided meditation can be done at any time of day, wherever you are, by following an instructional recording or video. From school children to business professionals, people from all walks of life have been utilizing meditation as a way to relieve stress and to enhance their mindfulness. Meditation has been shown to help with a variety of issues such as anxiety, depression, addiction, and chronic pain. Meditation can be something as simple as sitting in silence with your eyes closed. For others, it is a more formal practice that includes focused breathing, body awareness, and physical poses. Meditation is a practice that dates back thousands of years. It has been found to have a number of benefits, including stress management, improved focus, and reduced anxiety. It can be as simple as sitting in silence with your eyes closed, or a more formal practice that includes focused breathing, body awareness, and physical poses. It has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, and help with a variety of chronic diseases such as diabetes and depression. It also boosts immune system function, helps with weight loss, strengthens the cardiovascular system, reduces inflammation in the body, and much more. 4. Read something inspirational. Reading is one of the most powerful tools you can use to make your life better. It provides a way for people to escape from their stressful lives and learn new things about themselves and the world. Reading is a great way to distress, relax, and develop your imagination. Reading is also important because it helps people develop empathy for others by exposing them to different perspectives, which they may not have been exposed to. By reading inspirational quotes, stories, and books, you can change your mindset and empower yourself to take on new challenges and turn your life around. This is considered as one of the most powerful tools you can use to make your life better. By reading inspirational quotes, stories, and books, you can change your mindset and empower yourself to take on new challenges. Reading opens up a world of opportunity to those who enjoy it. The best thing you can do for yourself is to take time out for your own wellness. You deserve it. 5. Give thanks always. A gratitude morning routine can help you feel more joyful and grateful for what you have. The more grateful you feel, the more motivated you will be to keep progressing. A gratitude morning routine is the perfect way to start the day. This practice has been shown to improve mental health, prevent depression and anxiety, and promote better sleep habits. To experience these benefits, simply spend a few minutes every morning thinking about 3 things you're grateful for. It's never easy to see the silver lining when you're in the midst of all of life's challenges. Try not to lose hope and stay optimistic. It won't ever be perfect, but it also doesn't have to be so hard. We all have bad days or moments in life, but there are always things to be grateful for. Life never goes according to plan. You'll likely face challenges, but the key is not to give up. Instead, stay hopeful and optimistic. The future can't be predicted, but it doesn't have to be perfect either. 6. Set time aside for writing. Sit down, open a new file on your computer, and just start writing. Write about anything without stopping or editing, since no one will ever see it except you. Now, you might be wondering, what makes this exercise so effective? The answer is that it's a great way to get your thoughts out of your head and onto the page. When we're feeling stuck or our inner critic starts to get in the way, we can use this exercise to just forget about all that and just write. Writing can be a daunting task. Where do you start? Where do you end? How do you know if it's any good? Writing can be a way to process thoughts, emotions, and memories. It is often therapeutic to write about the past in order to process it and move on. Every writer has a different schedule that they try to stick to. Some writers feel that weekends are the perfect time to write. Others prefer to write at night, and some writers can't seem to find a pattern at all. The key is finding what works best for you and your schedule. This is a list of things that people have written when they've done this exercise. Their dreams for the future, their memories from childhood, their thoughts about politics, what they want from life right now. The possibilities are endless. 7. Practice positivity all the time. The power of optimism is amazing. It does not take much to change your mood and outlook on life. Even if you are feeling low, taking a few minutes to reframe your thoughts will have an immediate effect on how you feel. Being positive is contagious, so help others by being positive in their presence too. It's a scientifically proven fact that positive people have a more positive influence on those around them. This is because they help to increase your serotonin levels and release endorphins, natural painkillers, into the bloodstream. When you feel down, just remember that it's just a temporary feeling. Remember that tomorrow will be better. Surround yourself with positive people and stories to help balance out your feelings. This will balance out your feelings and help you find a more balanced emotional state. The more you practice positivity, the better your mood will be. Life coach Tony Robbins is a strong proponent for this morning routine idea that has some pretty awesome benefits. He practices gratitude as part of his 10-minute daily morning ritual he calls priming. Tony Robbins has written multiple books on achieving success in life. He provides readers with tips for managing stress, increasing productivity, and achieving their goals. Similarly, a full-time professor, entrepreneur, and online marketing strategist, Dr. John Lee is no stranger to stress. In his blog posts, he provides readers with tips for managing stress, increasing productivity, and achieving their goals. One of his techniques is priming, which he says is the process of using your brain's inherent adaptive features to perform better on tasks that are important to you is called neurogenesis. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please remember to subscribe. I'll be uploading regularly, and make sure to let me know in the comments what you want to see in future videos. I'll see you next time.